Good morning, and warm greetings from Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. It is indeed my honor and privilege to welcome Shri Joram Beda, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, who in spite of his busy schedule had consented to grace this occasion as the chief guest. Thank you, sir, for your presence and also for being a guide and mentor in planning and also in preparation of this event. I'm also delighted to extend a very warm welcome to Srimati Isawanda Lalu, IAS, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, etc., the guest of honor of today's function. Thank you, ma'am. Your presence not only enlightened the event, but also speaks volume of the collaborative efforts between the Health Department and the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. We are honored by the presence of Srimati R.M. Kurba, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of East Khas Hills, who in a very short notice had consented to grace this occasion as a special guest. Madam, your presence highlights a strong message that the District Administration of East Khas Hills is together with us in this fight against HIV/AIDS. Warm welcome also goes to Deputy Director NACO, Dr. Sai Prasad, Dr. Bhavana, and all the national consultants who have come all the way from Delhi to be with us in this event. Heartfelt welcome to the Director of Health Service, Dr. Arling Daw, and Dr. F. Kharshieng, and other senior health officials from the Directorate of Health Services. Cordial welcome goes to the project directors from Assam, Arunachal, Manipur, Nagaland, and Sikkim, and also SACS officials from all the northeastern states, and all the 8 band members from all these 8 northeastern states. We are honored by the prompt response of principals and teachers of various professional institutions, colleges, and schools across the state. We warmly welcome you and your students to this event. Warm welcome goes to development partners, TI NGOs, the PLH-IV communities, and other key populations. To all departments who are collaborating with us in putting up our exhibition stalls, to Hetman and village Dorbar Shnong of Maukasiang and the adjacent villages, distinguished guests and invitees, members from the press, both print and electronic, officers and staff from NECP facilities, district team, and states SACS team, and to all of you present here today, a very warm welcome. The Red Fest 2024 is the 5th Northeast Multimedia Campaign and is organized by National AIDS Control Organization in association with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. The main objective of this campaign is to create awareness, education, and support for the issue of HIV/AIDS in Northeastern region, targeting the youth and the vulnerable population. It aims to recognize and promote local music talents, nurturing and empowering them by giving a platform to showcase their talents, thereby engaging them in spreading positive messages. As of now, the HIV scenario in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in other northeastern states, is very alarming. The adult prevalence rate of the state of Meghalaya is 0.42%, which is higher than the national average, which stands at 0.21%. While many of the states and union territories of the country are in the decreasing trend, we are on the increasing trend. More so, the level of awareness of the people of the state about HIV state is very less. It is only 17% among the male and 60% among the female. And the level of discrimination for the people living with HIV is very high. To cope up with this challenge, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society is committed to increase awareness and sensitization campaign across the state, right from the village level up to school, colleges, university, and also at the workplace. We promote counseling and testing. We link them to treatment and adherence to treatment. We reach out to people who inject drugs, also to the key population through our prevention unit. In spite of all that has been done, the problem of HIV/AIDS is still very challenging. Therefore, NACO, together with MAX, calls for a collective efforts of all concerned citizens to join hands in Northeast Multimedia Campaign. The theme of the campaign is raise awareness, empower communities, defeat HIV. The word communities here refers to those people who are infected by the disease, that is, those people who are living with the infection, all those who are at risk of acquiring the disease, the high-risk group, and the truckers and the migrants. And the slogan of this event is Northeast United Against HIV/AIDS. Northeast United Against HIV/AIDS will no longer be only a slogan, but a call for collective efforts, action, and commitment of all of us present here today. Hence, it is my humble request to all the youths, teachers, friends, invitees, and dignitaries that whatever you hear here, whatever you heard here, whatever you learn from here, spread the message and carry it to every corner of Northeast region. Tell the message, reach the last mile. We together can end HIV/AIDS as a public health threat. Let Northeast be united against HIV/AIDS. Thank you, and once again, a warm welcome to each and every one of you.